fix Facebook highlight. Hello everyone, in today's video we'll talk about how to fix this on your Facebook. Just watch this video till the end. So first guys, you need to go and open the settings of your phone. After this, go directly and open apps option. Here on apps option you have to search now for Facebook. Open then Facebook like this, scroll down, click on storage, click now on clear data, click OK, and then you have to back, click on force stop, click also OK, and now you have to go to notifications option, disallow it and allow it again, and after this go to your Play Store, update your Facebook, and that's it, your problem will be solved. So I hope this video is helpful for you. Don't forget to like and subscribe in our channel. See you in another video.